Well, Sanjay Datt, unfortunately, like I said, doesn't have a scene with me. I don't have a scene with him more so. But Arshad Warsi, comedy king, yes, but fantastic actor. Spot on, knows exactly what he's doing, when he's doing it, and is so like he's just so involved, not only as an actor, but he's helping me out in our scenes together. He'll work me through it, walk me through it, talk me through it, everything. Very patient and complete joker. We had unbelievable fun. We'd always be picking on each other, always, constantly. I'd tease him about, he's wearing a wig in our song, and I'd be like, my God, you're taking longer than me to get ready. What's your problem? You're a guy, and everything. And we'd laugh and we'd joke. He's total madness. I think coming from Virud, from that salwar kameez, sweet, nice girl, to this flamboyant, vivacious, bubbly girl, I just want to. I don't think I want to prove anything. I just want people, hopefully, to appreciate what I've done. I haven't seen the film, but I'm just hoping that whatever rushes I've seen, I hope that I can win the audience over, and I hope they like it. And if they don't like it, well, I'll try harder the next time. Thank you.